Hi, how are you? Today, I will tell you how to make the game rock, paper, scissors, that we all like, using Claude AI. This will take just a few minutes, okay? First, I will put the prompt into Claude AI. I took this prompt from Claude, and I will put it in the description so you can use it too. Okay, let's start the work. It will take a little time for Claude to build this. Yes, now the site is done. Let's take a look. It seems the app has been created, but the CSS file is not connected. Let's fix that. Okay, friends, now the CSS is connected. Let's try out this app. Okay, while I play on one side, the computer plays on the other. Okay, we both won a few rounds. Now, I will improve this app. First, let's make it so whoever wins 3 rounds wins the match, and we can restart the game whenever we like. Okay guys, that's how this app is made. I think you've learned something. Even if it's just the smallest thing, you can build something like this using Claude, and play it with friends. If you want to see more content like this, subscribe to our channel.